Relax. Relax. Mountain, the sky of peace. A beautiful hypnosis meditation journey. Your eyes are remaining closed. Bring your awareness towards your breathing. Make the breathing slow and gentle. With each breath, imagine you are arriving in this present moment. Nothing from the past, nothing from the future, only now. Bring your awareness to your body. Feel your feet pressing into the earth. Just only the feeling, and let them soften. The legs heavy and relaxed. The hips wide and supported. The belly rises and falls gently, free. The chest opens with each breath. The shoulders drop like leaves falling from a tree. The arms and the hands rest warm and open. The face smooth, soft, peaceful. Your whole body is resting in gravity, safe and supported. Now imagine you are walking slowly up a quiet mountain path. Each step takes you higher. Lighter. Freer. The air is fresh. The silence deep. With every breath, you feel closer to the sky above. On the mountain, you drop the burdens you have carried so long. You place them on the earth. Past, future, worries, masks. The mountain is vast enough to hold them all. You walk on, unburdened, discovering the sweetness of being empty. As you rest on a rock, imagine the wind gently blowing through you. It carries away sadness, fear, heaviness. Each exhale releases what no longer belongs. Each inhale fills you with fresh strength. Now lift your eyes to the wide, endless sky. You are not the body walking. You are the space in which it all happens. Clouds come, clouds go, but the sky remains untouched. You too are the sky, eternal, still, infinite. Deep within, healing words settle. I am safe. I am strong. I am free. With each breath, my body renews itself. With each thought released, my mind becomes clear. From this day, I carry peace in every step. Even in difficulty, I find balance, courage, and calm. Above the mountain, the sky opens into pure light. This is your superconscious self. Beyond fear. Beyond loss. Beyond time. Rest in that light for a moment. That beautiful, healing light. Even after this beautiful holistic hypnosis meditation, you're going to carry this peace with you. Relax deeper and deeper.